And turn on contrarian candle coloring. So we're going to click that on. And now what it did was it just shaded some white candles, right? We see some white candles. This is really powerful because we're looking at a higher time frame again on a 1 minute, but there's going to be potential reversals, right? And of course the candle color is going to be late. We want it to be late. We want to be delayed. We are consciously choosing to be shown data from a 15-minute chart on a 1 minute time frame. Of course it's going to look late. That's what this candle coloring is doing. It's looking for potential areas of tops and bottoms. And this, when this clicks off, when this white coloring clicks off, it essentially is letting you know as a trader, hey, we're not in any danger of a bull or of falling knife. You know, this has clicked off, so it's going to retrace up. We don't know if the retracement's going to be a reversal or not, but it's not going to continue going straight down after the white candles have clicked off. Here we are again here. And then it clicks off, and then it moves down. You see that? So these contrarian candle colorings can help you spot potential reversals